Hi, my name is Silke and I'm starting today a cooking channel, and this is my first recipe, and it's a quick recipe and it's an amazing spicy tuna sandwich. I hope you will love it. And all what you need is chili, how much you like. I like it spicy, that's why I 3 kinds of chili I take. And then we need 1.5 onions. I have a half from yesterday. Then we need tuna. And we need mayonnaise. This is mayonnaise with some ingredients, that's fine. We need our green, in German, Schnittlauch. I don't know the English word. And we need 1 teaspoon chili powder, if you like it. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon big black pepper. And 1 teaspoon salt. So let's do it quick. So first we take the tuna and open it, and we must remove the water. It was oily, so I get all the oil from my fingers now. Nice fish smell. And we let the oil go out of the tuna. After that we cut the onions. I'm lazy, that's why I have my mixer. I put everything what I need in my small mixer. If you like, you can make in that tuna as well potatoes. Not potatoes, tomatoes. Then it's a little bit more wet. So I try to get this up here. I like the red onions. And I like them more than the white one. I don't know why. So everything in here, and let's cut it in big pieces. Put it in the mixer. So chili I already washed. One green chili, they have special taste. The red one, I think 2 is too much. This is a very spicy one. So now let's mix. Not 2 small pieces. And then we put it in here. It looks great. The 3 colors, purple, green and the red. So look here, a lot of onions. Now we cut the Schnittlauch. It's a little bit monster Schnittlauch because it's from my garden and it grew up so well. Oh, it will be very green and very tasty with so much Schnittlauch. I like this taste. And even when you put that for a sandwich, you don't need garlic. Otherwise, I put garlic in my food so much every time. But here it's not necessary. So, then we look for our tuna. We need to bring a spoon here. Put it out. Oh. 5-minute sandwich, so just finish out the oil and we put the tuna in here. And not at least, but now we can put the spices. Yeah, chili don't want to come out. Chili, paprika, pepper, salt, from everyone 1 teaspoon. And now it's time to put the toast bread in the toaster. And now we put the mayonnaise. Like this. And we need another spoon to mix it all well. And mayonnaise, you must put how much you like. It should be a little bit like everything should be fixed together. So here we need a little bit more. Otherwise the tuna will fall out of the sandwich. And even fat is a good taste. So now it's ready. Time to put the toast bread in the toaster. And we do that. Two toast breads. And I put it in the toaster. So, toast bread is finished and I put the tuna in the middle and it's so delicious.